how to send WhatsApp message without saving number. So that is what I'm going to show you guys in this super quick and easy tutorial. So let's get into it. So the first thing that we need to do right here is to of course open our WhatsApp right here. And then once we open our WhatsApp, the next thing that we need to do is to of course allow WhatsApp to access our contacts. So once you allow WhatsApp to access our contacts, the next thing that we need to do is to click this button right here, which is the new chat. So click that one right there. And then in this part, what we're going to do on the contacts on WhatsApp, just message yourself, which is right here. And then in this part, what we're going to do is to type the number that you don't want to save. And then once you do that, just click send, which is right here. And then once you send it, what we're going to do is to just click on the number. And then what we're going to do right here is to click on message. After that, once you do that, what we're going to do is to just type the message that you want to send. So if we click save right there, let's wait for them to respond into our message. And then that is basically it. So that is basically it. That is how easy it is. That is how to send WhatsApp message without saving number.